Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your risk analysis with JPMorgan Chase step by step clearly. Begin by defining your risk analysis objectives clearly. Identify the key areas of your business that require risk assessment. Gather historical data relevant to those risk areas. Utilize JPMorgan Chase's data analytics tools to analyze this historical data. Focus on quantitative metrics to measure potential risks. Incorporate qualitative insights from team members to gain a comprehensive view. Leverage JPMorgan Chase's risk modeling techniques to forecast potential outcomes. Run simulations using different scenarios to understand various risk levels. Evaluate the results of your simulations to determine the most significant risks. Create a risk matrix to visualize the potential impact versus likelihood. Prioritize risks based on their potential impact on your business. Engage cross-functional teams to validate your findings and enhance credibility. Develop risk mitigation strategies tailored to each identified risk. Monitor market trends and regulatory changes that may affect your risk landscape. Utilize JPMorgan Chase's expert resources and consult their risk management frameworks. Create a culture of risk awareness within your organization. Regularly review and update your risk analysis processes to ensure relevance. Establish a schedule for ongoing assessments to adapt to new risks. Document all findings and strategies for future reference. Communicate your risk analysis results to stakeholders clearly and effectively. Implement your risk management strategies and monitor their effectiveness. Adjust your approach based on feedback and observed performance over time. Continuously refine your risk analysis to stay aligned with business objectives. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.